this question has been repeatedly asked in most of the top product based company. The problem name is string compression. It is saying you have been given array in this multiple times, the occurrence of for the same element can be present, and your task is to return the length of the array formed with this condition. Like you have to form the array in this key. If your character is A, means how many times it has occurred in that particular array. So it has occurred 2 times, so the another value you have to store is 2. Let's suppose if there was B and it was only occurred for 1 time. For that you don't need to store anything. Whatever the length is, you have to return 5. We can start with 2 pointers, let's suppose left and right, and in the right I will just keep moving until I am finding the same character. So for A, once I found A, so I will be moving my right pointer until I found only A. Once I found the another character, I will stop my R then and there, okay, and I will have this left pointer also, and in the left pointer I will keep my value and increment it. After this, my task is to put the count variable, right, the particular frequency count for that element. When we are iterating the R pointer, we can calculate the count of it also, right? So the count was 2, and again we will move our left pointer ahead. And always remember, when you found the distinct characters, you have to again reinitialize your count variable so that it can count the fresh values for the unique character now. Calculate the length and initialize your left and right pointer. Until your right pointer gets out of bound, your task is first pick the character which was present at the right index, you will keep in character, and initialize your count variable to count the frequency of the same character moving forward, right? So until your right is under your boundary and your array of right pointer is equal to same character, you will just keep on incrementing the count, which is nothing but frequency count, and you will keep on incrementing your right pointer as well. Once your condition fails, you can simply do the left pointer which was at 0, right, and right pointer, let's suppose somewhere here. So what you will do here in the left, you will put the character which you have stored here, right, and now you will increment your left pointer. Now your task is to put the count. You can simply check if it is greater than 1, because for 1 you don't need to keep it. If it is greater than 1, you will iterate in the count also. Why? It might be 2 digit also, 3 digit also, right? So that's why you will iterate in the count, and in your left variable you will put the digit and increment the left, and at last whatever the left index will be is nothing but the length of the whole array.